is Lezlie.
And Lexy.
Here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon. And we are here today to proudly announce the launch of the Light Elegance P Plus Soak Off Gel Polish.
Yes.
Oh, we're so excited. We
caught.
want to introduce you to this beautiful line. We have had a soak off in the past, but we've come out with a whole new look and a whole new formulation.
And what do you want to talk about the new outfit it has?
I've decided that everybody needs a new look or a new outfit every so often, and so we took the P Plus and put her into a nice new outfit.
Yes.
Once again, the round bottom flask. Look how these little polish
Bringing
bottles.
the science theme in, the good ingredients in, and these bottles just kind of represent our brand so well.
Yes, because in the round bottom flask is the Light Elegance history of science and all the good ingredients. So, Light Elegance P Plus. Lexi, why don't you tell them what makes ours different than everybody else's?
Okay.
And how special
So
it
this
is.
has been in the making for a while. This is super exciting to finally being able to talk about it.
I know.
Some of my favorite qualities about the P Plus is how it goes on like lacquer. So it's a very, very thin base, but it's so there's so much opacity to it, so much pigment in there, that it goes on like a lacquer, which I love. 2 thin coats, full coverage. Some of them only require 1, which is fantastic. And then some other qualities is 21-day wear.
Oh, yes.
Obviously, depending on your nail integrity, that's going to waver a little bit. But from what we've tested, 21-day wear.
Plus more on a lot of people. But
yeah, exactly. If you have really strong nails. Just the opacity, the pigment, it does not pull back.
Oh, that's a wonderful thing because so many of them pull back. So you can start at the little finger, end at the thumb, and the little finger does not pull back.
It does not move. And I think that's because of that lacquer application that it sticks on that nail and it does not pull back. It's wonderful. And it saves you time.
It does.
What else is some wonderful features?
We have a custom brush. We formulated and had our own custom brush made for this. So as Lexi has said, that when you apply this gel polish, it's going to glide right on. But part of it is not only the formulation, but the brush has been designed just to lay it nice and flat. It butts up right against that cuticle.
It does. It gets perfect.
And so that is exciting. And the glitter, we are known for our colors, so we have the gel polish, but it's also available in the glitter gels that you all love so much. And there is twice as much glitter in this P Plus formula than before. Twice as much.
Twice as much, double.
So when you just lay that down, that glitter is just going to explode and pop.
And I have to say, the chunky glitters in this formulation are actually my favorite. They're not my favorite in the 17 ml pots, just because I find sometimes that they're a little bit hard to work with.
They just glide.
These chunkies in the P Plus glide so well, and I'm stoked about it. I absolutely love it. Another great benefit of the P Plus is it is responsibly manufactured here at Light Elegance HQ by our chemists in the back.
And that is so true. We take such pride, and what's inside matters. With the health of the client and the nail professional, P Plus has been formulated to be a safe gel polish that contains no HEMA-monomers or any ingredients even near that.
Which is huge.
So you are not going to get the allergies that so many of these products out there have. We are HEMA-free, and it's important. We have to keep the integrity of this profession in line, and these products that cause allergies are a huge concern.
Yes.
And here at Light Elegance, I cannot stress enough that what's inside matters, and this gel polish system is so allergy-free.
Just like the rest of all of our products. They're all high standards.
We have to think of the clients that we're putting this on, and you too, the nail professionals. We got to keep everybody healthy and safe.
Also on top of that, this is 9-free, cruelty-free, like she said, HEMA-monomer-free, gluten-free, and vegan.
We hit them all.
So I know that excites a lot of you guys. This product is, like she said, healthy for your clients.
And you.
You're not breathing anything bad in. It applies like a dream. It lasts.
Yes.
We are so excited about this, and I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it. Do we want to talk a little bit about the structure of how it goes on?
Absolutely. So we think of every type of nail professional out there. And for you that want to soak off, we have the most beautiful system. It's a 7-minute soak off system. And so your natural nail manicure, you start with, we have a cutie base. QD stands for quick detach. So if you are wanting to soak off the P+, you're going to take you're going to apply your cutie base, a thin coat of cutie base, cure it, and then the fabulous color or glitter. 2 coats of that to make a nice coverage because we want to keep it nice and thin. And then a top coat and...
This was the top coat.
Oh, that was the top coat. Oh, here's the colors.
Yep, so you have your cutie base, your color, and your top coat. And that's for the 7-minute soak off.
And it is, and that will give you 21 plus day wear. And it, like I said, the color lasts, the shine lasts, everything.
Oh, the shine.
Oh, the top coat is beautiful.
We've already had ambassadors and educators that have played with this just calling in, saying they can't believe the shine on this.
Yeah.
It rivals Super Shiny. It is amazing. So I'm stoked about that.
So 7-minute soak off with your cutie quick detach. Now, for those of you who want to use a gel polish, but you prefer to file it off, that's okay. You don't need to use the cutie base. The cutie base is just used for when you want to soak off. But we have our fabulous JimmyGel. So if you want to do an extension or a little bit of added strength and flexibility, the JimmyGel, then put your P Plus gel polish on that with the fabulous P Plus top coat.
Yes.
So we have something for everyone. If you want to do a soak-off manicure, you have the 3-step system. If you want extensions or a little bit of added strength and flexibility, we have our JimmyGel with the P Plus.
Or the Lexy line.
You could also, P Plus is very versatile. You can take the colors or the glitters and apply it over a Lexi line hard gel. You can apply it over an acrylic. Once again, it's compatible. We've made our products so you can use them with any kind of system that you want. They are.
They all live cohesively together.
Isn't that true? Like we all should, right?
Yeah.
And what's inside matters. We cannot stress that enough. We're so excited. So you can pre-order the P Plus now.
And just
we
a
have
little
a Hello Kit that gives you everything you need for that test. It's kind of like a trial box.
So if you're kind of like, not sure, I have a lot of gel polishes, I don't really know.
This is way better. You don't need anything else.
This is, or if you're a little gun shy and you just don't know if you want to pull the trigger on a lot of colors, this is a great starting point.
Hello.
This gives you a color, a glitter, your base, and your top.
Yes.
That way you can just try it, see if you like it, and then you can invest in it later.
And we have how many colors, Lexi?
We have 36 colors in our launch. So obviously we will be adding later, but we wanted to start with 36 colors. 12 of these 36 are brand new, never seen before shades, and 12 of them are our fabulous glitter gels. So we have an array of everything that you are looking for.
We do. We're so excited about this. So you can purchase these. They launch on September 30th. You can pre-order now. We're so excited. Go to YouTube. There are tons of videos to show you application, the features and benefits, how you apply it, all of the good stuff. So we want to welcome this beautiful new line to the family, and the new outfit, the round bottom flask, and all it stands for is here, and we are so excited to add this to our family.
We can't wait for you guys to try this.
So call with any questions, call your distributors. We're ready to go. P Plus. Here we come.
Available now.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.